Good morning and happy Friday, Scots. I'm Raquel.
And I'm Sarah. Welcome back to Scots Weekly.
Let's dive into this week's announcements. First up, Springfest is happening next week.
Get ready to show off your school spirit with these dress-up days.
On Monday, it's Wild and Out. Wear red or white to represent your team.
Tuesday is Jersey Shore. Rock your best vacation or Y2K-inspired outfit.
Wednesday is Catfish. Dress as your type.
And Thursday, channel your favorite duo for Beavis and Butthead Day.
And to wrap up the week, Friday is Rally Day, aka Spring Break. Wear your most spirited tropical rally fit.
Reminder, Scots, make sure you're ready to dress up each day so we can show off our school spirit here at Highland.
Next, attention Scots, prom bids are now on sale.
Prices are $55 with an ASB sticker and $60 without. You can purchase your bids in the morning, at lunch, and after school.
Remember, the finance office closes promptly at 4:10, so don't wait until the last minute.
You must have your current 2025 ID and all debt must be cleared before purchasing.
If you have any questions, see Ms. Delatour in room 5B. Don't miss out on an unforgettable night.
Hey Scots, want to be a leader for your class next year?
If you're a freshman, sophomore, or junior and want to help plan fundraisers and activities, Class Council is for you.
Applications are now available in the activities office. Stop by and pick one up.
Don't miss the chance to make a difference for your class. Good luck, Scots.
And now it's time for a quick break.
Check out this video.
Yo,
who took my clue? Hello, I'm not talking to myself. Who took it? I'm busy.
I know who took it.
Who?
Casper the Ghost.
You trying to irritate me? I'm busy. Where is it?
I really couldn't care less. I don't have it.
You're the last person I told you about this. Where is it?
Okay, you look crazy. You're looking at me with psycho eyes right now.
Where's my clue, Jonah?
I don't have it. I don't have it.
You're the only person I told about this. Where is it?
I don't care about it. I just don't care about it. I don't take things. I didn't take your clue.
It's a real thing. I would like to know where it is. Where is it?
Okay, I don't know why you're asking me. I don't have it.
You're the only person I've told about this.
And, well, good, because I don't want you going around crazy telling other people so they throw you in the house.
You're gonna irritate me. Where is it, Jonah?
Are you calling me a liar?
Yeah!
Because I didn't take it. I'm not lying to you.
Where is it?
You know what? I'm done with you. Like, seriously, you're calling me a liar. You're up with this crazy thing. I keep keeping up with it for some reason. Like, honestly. And you know what? You made me feel my history class, and you didn't even feel sorry about it.
Dropping out of that class was the best thing for you.
Don't call me. Don't go by my house. We're done.
Oh, you're so annoying. Fine, it's not real. It doesn't exist. Happy? Seriously? That's how it ends? Well, Scott, I didn't find the treasure, but check out this trailer.
Hey, Hannah.
Hey, Amaya.
Look at all the people who are missing over break.
You guys ready?
Yeah, we're ready.
Breaking the school.
Yeah, we're ready. I'm all good. Go hit this.
Let's do this. You guys remember the game plan?
Yes.
You gotta keep it short, simple, and we can't leave no trace. Victor got the cans. Are you guys ready to do this?
Yeah.
Yes. All right, let's do this.
Her pistol go. Her pistol go. I said her pistol go. Cause she a fashion killer and I'm a trendy figure.
Hannah, an ordinary junior at Highland High, expects another dull school year until a chilling mystery shakes her routine. As students start disappearing, whispers of a hidden treasure and ghostly warnings lead her down a dangerous path. With her best friend Zane and a reluctant group of classmates, Hannah must unravel the truth behind the missing students before she becomes the next one to vanish. Coming soon.
Aunt Jemima. And if you is a rider, we go shopping like manana.
Welcome back, Scots. I'm Ashira.
And I'm Sophia. This past Saturday, Highlands Red Cross Club officers were honored with the American Red Cross Youth and Youth Adult Services Award.
This award, given by the Kern and Eastern Sierra chapter, recognizes youth volunteers who show outstanding service, leadership, teamwork, and dedication to the Red Cross mission.
If you know a Red Cross Club member, be sure to congratulate them for their hard work and commitment to helping out the community.
Huge shout out to Highlands Video Production Program for showing up and showing out at the Kern High Film Festival last week.
Big congrats to these talented Scots who placed in their categories. Public service announcement, 2nd place by Ben, Zane, and Amaya. News story, 3rd place by Roman, Victor, and Art. Music video for 2nd place, and the short film, 3rd place by Drew.
Great job, everyone. Keep creating and making Highland proud.
Well, that's a wrap, Scots.
Thanks for tuning in. We'll catch you next time.
And always remember to
Plaid up.